Come test drive this 2008 Saturn Aura. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 15,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, heated seats, a split folding rear seat, telescoping steering wheel, power windows, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.